Happy Friday!
Happy Friday.
It's our anniversary.
Yes, it is today. 5 years ago.
Yes, 5 years ago.
Yes.
It was a wonderful day.
It was a beautiful day.
Yes, I enjoyed it.
I do too.
And for our anniversary, what drinks do you have for us?
We have the lemon daisy.
Why a lemon daisy?
Well, my wife's grandfather used to call her Little Daisy, and everywhere we go, we see Daisy. So it reminds me of my beautiful wife.
Yeah, and we had them at our wedding too.
We did have them at our wedding. They were all over the place.
Uh,
And the next one is the Lovebirds.
I
I do love
you. We're so...
I'm a little sappy.
Yeah, that's okay. We're allowed to on
Yes,
our
we are on
anniversary.
our anniversary.
All right, so first, which one?
Ladies' choice.
I guess we'll go with the lemon daisy. then.
Lemon daisy it is. Lemon daisy. Very good.
Oh my goodness, that might be one of my new favorites.
It's very delicious.
I would totally order that
Very
out.
good for vodka, but it's very fruity also. But it's not too sweet. Not too sweet.
Remind me of a lemon drop a little
A
bit,
little bit
but
of a lemon drop, yes.
that sugary taste adds.
Yes. The
that's
simple
right
syrup
up
and
my alley.
grenadine is perfect in
I didn't even say owie right. I said owie.
that.
We might have had a little bit of wine at Christian Clay Winery
Little bit.
today, just a little bit, where we got married. So,
Yes.
off to the Lovebirds.
The Lovebirds. It's a little bit of a bigger shot, so
Oh,
we love each other a lot. So it's a big Lovebird.
you're gonna beat me. I actually was making an effort. I tried to beat you and I couldn't do it.
Not a chance.
That one again.
It was very good. A little bit more stronger on the vodka, but the sweet and sour tamed it
Yeah,
down.
yeah.
Very delicious. Both of them were very good.
Very good.
Yes, very good.
They're wonderful, like my wonderful husband. Happy Friday. We hope you're enjoying it.
Happy Friday. Have a good weekend.